Welcome! This is Katanya from Glorify Bodies Fitness, and today is workout in your PJs day. Woohoo! For me, that's every day. And I have these wonderful pajamas from Pajamagram.com. They're soft, they're comfortable, they're great on my skin. It doesn't irritate my skin, so it's the only pajamas I can wear, really. So I love them. All right, so let's get to our workout. You can use some weights of your choice. What we're going to do is lay back. We're going to be lifting the leg and the arm at the same time. So feel free to do this without any weights, laying back on your bed. And what we'll do is we'll straighten out the left leg, and the right arm is out to the side. We're going to be lifting this left leg up a little bit next to the other knee, and the arm is going to just come up over a little bit and then back down. All right, let's do a few with me, and then you can head on over to glorifybodiesfitness.com and see what we have on the website for you. Okay, bring that up. We'll do 5, 4, so this really helps the knee. Strengthen those legs and the arms, inner side, the arm. Oh boy, feel that deltoid. This is so good. I think we can go to 10, yes? Come on, let's do it. We're in this together. Okay, let's go. 5 more. 4, and it's okay if you're just lifting a little, that's okay. Do whatever you can. Good. Last 2, and you can keep that elbow soft, not locked. 1 more. All right, and release that down. We're gonna switch leg and arm. Palms are up. Okay, and belly in. Lifting the leg and arm at the same time, just a little bit with the leg, not past the other knee. Soft elbows. So we're going for 10. This is 9. 8. You inhale as you open out. 7. Good. And 6. You're doing great. And 5. That's 4. 3. Last 2. You may feel that on the knee, the thigh. And 1. So you know it's working. And relax. Oh, that was good. You can pull either one knee or both in. So what you can do is a little stretch here. Yum. Oh boy, that's good. Can we do a total body stretch? See how you feel. Showing off my pajamagram pajamas. All right, let's do a little stretch here. Let's breathe out. Take some breaths here. Inhale up. Press down. Good. 2 more. Last one. Good. Flip those palms up. Stretch it back. Give yourself a hug. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Ta-ta.